everybody. Welcome to Liberty Speaking TV. And my name is Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye. I'm here to teach you English conditionals. If you followed all the English tenses last time, this lesson is going to support future tenses. So don't miss out it. Otherwise, you should start from scratch. This day, we are going to study conditionals, including if clauses. Let's get started. Conditionals. Conditional sentences usually have two parts known as clauses. One of these is a result clause, the other is if clause and if clause. The order of the clauses can usually be reversed. Example: if I get a good result, I will be very happy. Here, if clause and second result clause. I'll be happy. I'll be very happy if I get a good result. It can be reversed in that way. Instead of starting by if, you can end by if. It is possible. I will be very happy if I get a good result. Now, the result clause is started, and then we finish by if clause. The traditional types of conditional are called zero, first, second, and third. Zero means if plus present plus present. That is an example. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. That is 100% true. First conditional, if plus present plus future simple. Example: if I get a good result, I will be very happy. And we have the second. But let me explain a little bit about the first conditional. As I told you before, in the zero conditional, I said that it is reality. It is 100% true. But here in the first conditional, it is 50% true. The reality is true 50%. Now, let us look at second conditional. Here, if plus past simple plus would plus infinitive. It means, for example, let us go through the example and see. If I got a good result, I would be very happy. This means that it is unreal. The first ones were real. The first one was 100% real. The second one was 50% real. But the second one, the third one, which is second conditional, it is unreal in the present. When something in the present is not true, you use if followed by simple past and then would followed by bare infinitive. If something is not true in the present, you begin by if and then continue with the past, simple past. That means that that action is not true now. Now let us look at the fourth one. The third one, which is the fourth, if we start from zero conditional. This third one is formed by if plus past perfect plus modal plus have and past participle. Now, dear students, look at the example. If I had got a good result, I would have been very happy. In this example, the action is unreal in the past. When something didn't happen in the past, we use if plus past perfect. When you didn't do anything in the past and you are regretting that, you use if plus past perfect. Last time I taught you all the verb tenses. This is very important when you have already learned verb tenses. So, those who were with me in the first lesson of verb tenses, this past perfect means the action happened before. But here we are talking about conditional, when something was not true in the past. If I had got a good result means I didn't get good result. But if I had got a good result, what would have happened? I would have been very happy. That means that I wasn't very happy because I didn't get a good result. I think you understand me. Now let us look at the note. Caution. Time and tense are not the same. For instance, the present tense is used to refer to the future time in a sentence such as, if it rains, I will go. Do you understand? I hope so. Now, there are many more types of conditional constructions. The following chart is based on the grammar book by Selt Marcia and Lassen Freeman, which was published in 1999 on page 548 and 552 and is used with their permission. You can also download it as a PDF. Now, let us look at the chart. The chart breaks conditionals down into three main categories: factual, future, and imaginative. Factual conditionals can be timeless. In other words, it means outside time, expressing habits or scientific facts, or time-bound, referring to present, past, or different times. Future conditionals can express a strong or weak condition or result. Something will happen or may happen, or be used to give advice or commands. Let us look at imaginative conditionals. Can be hypothetical, that means unlikely but possible in the present or future, or counterfactual, that is impossible, referring to present or past time. Now, this is the end of conditionals. I will teach you more conversations using conditionals, all the types of conditionals next time. If that was your first time to watch our lessons, I'd like to encourage you to tap the button below, which is subscribe, so that you can get access to all the notifications of other lessons. I wish you all the best, and I hope you enjoyed my lessons. Besides, don't forget to like and share our lessons. That was your English teacher, Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye from Rwanda. Good luck and bye-bye.